Davinci Resolve 19 full version is finally here, and in this video we're going to try to download it in roughly 3 minutes. This video specifically is for downloading on a Mac. If you want to download for Windows, go ahead check the video above and that'll link you to that one. So first thing we're going to do is go to blackmagicdesign.com, and then we can scroll down to here where you see Davinci Resolve 19. Select that. This will come up here, and we go to where it says free download, or you can purchase the studio version. I'm just going to select the free version. As you can see here, it says Davinci Resolve 19. We have Mac OS, Linux, Windows 86, or Windows ARM. And if you want the studio version, you can do the same thing over here. So I do have the studio version. However, you can choose whichever one you want. And I am going to select Mac OS. Then you go ahead and fill out your information. Okay, so now that I've done that, as you can see, it's beginning to run the download. Once that finishes, then I'll meet back up with you. Okay, so we are now finished downloading. I'm going to open up my downloads and select that. This will pop up. So now I'm just going to double click this, install Resolve 19, press continue, 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 agree, install, put my password in, and now we wait for everything to install. Alright, so the installation was successful, so let's close this, move that to trash, close all of this out, and now I'm going to open Davinci Resolve. And as you can see, Davinci Resolve Studio 19, this has popped up. This is a video that I was actually going to release today, however, it's going to be postponed because of these videos being released today. Okay, and as you can see, we have the Davinci Resolve Studio 19. And that's how you download Davinci Resolve 19 full version. Be sure to be subscribed, as I'm going to release a video specifically about features on Davinci Resolve 19. And I'll see you in the next one.